this is Raina from LYLO Crafts coming on today to share my #1 best way that I have found to save money on Temu. As you can see, these packages just keep on rolling on in because they have such incredible prices on their items, everything from home to decor to clothing, and I have bought all different kinds, but I want to show you my most favorite way to save money on Temu.
First thing you want to do is start off by downloading the Temu app, and I've got a link in my bio and also in the description. If you use my affiliate code, you can actually save money on your first purchase. And I click on Temu and you can see you are on the home page. So when you're on the home page, you can see all the deals that they've got going on right now. You can see that they have back to school deals, and if you scroll through, you'll have lightning deals. Now these tell you exactly how long they're good for. So that one is good for another 16.5 hours. On this top bar here, they will talk about the different things going on right now. So they have free shipping going on, and they have price adjustment within 30 days. That is my #1 most favorite way to save money on Temu. So have you guys ever bought something at a store that says they do price adjustments within 30 days, and then you're thinking, oh my gosh, do I have to keep coming in here, or how do I figure out what the price adjustment is? Well, Temu makes it so super easy. But once you've placed an order, you are going to click on the U button. When you do, you want to click on this button that says your orders. Now you can see that I've had several orders delivered recently, August 19, August 21, August 14th. So I do purchase from Temu. So let's go ahead and look at this most recent one that was delivered. And you can see when you scroll down here, if a price adjustment is available, meaning that the item has been advertised at a lower price for the past 30 days, you can request a price adjustment. So all you have to do is click on this request a price adjustment, okay? And then you can see right here, the estimated total refund amount is 48 cents because this item, these watermelons they were for 19 cents less. And then I also bought this pumpkin seal, and that went down and I can get 29 cents on that. So I'm going to click request a price adjustment, and then you can ask for it to be on your credit balance, but because I purchased from Temu, I'm going to click your Temu credit balance, and then I'm going to click submit. And look what happens. Estimated credit balance is 53 cents, and right here it says that at Temu, we've given you an adjustment of 53 cents. It's that fast. It's instantaneous. And so I now have 53 cents as my credit balance. And when I go to check out my next time, it will actually allow me to click the button that says to use my credit balance against that. So I love that and that amount does not make your minimum balance that you need for free shipping go up. Now, I did want to show you something that on here, you can request a price adjustment more than once. Okay, so let's say you can see today, I got this 53 cents adjustment. However, look, on August 11th, I got a 28 cents adjustment that was on this order. So just go in and keep checking your orders over the past 30 days to see if any price adjustments are available. So for instance, if we were to look on this one that I got on August 19th, it says leave a review a receipt, return refund, buy this again. So it does not have the request a price adjustment, which means that none is available, that I happen to purchase those items at the lowest price, and so therefore no price adjustment is available. But I can keep checking on that all the way through On this one, 30 days from the date that I placed the order. So I just wanted to show you that. Please, if you are buying from Temu, they advertise that they give price adjustments for 30 days. So I want you to be able to take advantage of that. Know again that I will put the link to Temu, and I've got a mega haul, a craft haul up, and I will put a link to all the items that I purchased, as well as my code that you can use to get extra discount off on your first purchase, all in the description below. So please go and check them out. Go check out the items that I purchased from Temu. And if you have never tried seeing if you're available for a price adjustment, check that out today. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. And I hope this was fun information for you and valuable. This is just something that I just recently figured out how to do. So I'm having a lot of fun with that because I like to stretch my dollar. So I hope you do too. And I hope you have